In this third video on the regret criterion, we show how to apply it to different states of the world as opposed to different periods of time. So imagine that you are decision making for a company and you have several investment decisions. One of them that you're considering is to begin to do some internationalization, and that would be in contrast to your current strategy of just working in the domestic market. And the extreme, of course, is that you could go global, that you would do more than some internationalization. You would become a global company. Now, the success of the strategy depends on the state of the world in the future. If we have a peaceful world, that's going to lead to one set of outcomes. If there is tension, but not outright states of war, perhaps, there will be another set of outcomes. And then if the world is at war, there will be yet another. So in this table, this is a table of outcomes that we have here. Let's just consider for simplicity that these are our gross revenue or profit projections, something like that. The number's not as important as the concept here. And here's my friend. Hopefully that will take care of it. I apologize for that. Now what we're going to do is create the same kind of regret matrix that you have seen before. So we're going to say if the world is at peace, the best thing to do would be to have global investments. If we have global investments and the world is at peace, there is no regret. If we are doing some internationalization and the world is at peace, then we are losing $25 as compared to what we would have with global investments. And if we stay with our domestic strategy, the loss is even greater. You can see then how we construct the regret matrix, which hopefully by now is familiar to you. Looking across the rows, we identify the maximum value that gets piled up here. And then we say we are going to choose that strategy that minimizes the maximum regret. And that is clearly minus 20 is the best result here that we could get from all these bad results. And that means our company should use a global investment strategy. So by now, I hope you have seen all the different ways that you can apply the regret criterion. It is one that is used sometimes by government agencies. It is one that is also used in the private sector.